Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you all will be in good health. I am your science teacher of grade 4. Students, open your book, page number 24. Today our topic is plants can also grow from other parts. Now plants, in previous class I told you that plants can grow from seed, main from seed. So plants can also grow from other parts. A potato is a swollen part of the stem of a plant called a tuber. It grows in soil. It contains a lot of stored plant food. A potato has many eyes on it. Each eye is a bird. The stored food in the potato helps the birds to grow into new potato plants. Plants can also grow from other parts. Potato is a swollen part of the stem of a plant. That swollen part is known as tuber. It grows inside the soil. It grows in the soil. It contains a lot of stored plant foods. Potato has many eyes. These eyes is known as bird. Now the stored food in the potato helps the bird to grow into a new potato plant. Here is a diagram of a potato plant. Now it's a diagram of a potato plant. This part is known as tuber. The swollen part is known as tuber. It's in the soil. It's present in the soil. The eyes present on potato is known as bird. These eye present on potato is known as bird. Tuber is present in the soil. The swollen part is known as tuber and this spot or eyes is known as bird. Come to the book, page number 24. An onion is a bulb. It is made up of thick leaves which contain a lot of stored plant food. There is a bird in the center of the bulb. The bird grows to make an onion plant. A gardener can grow new plants from small pieces of stem. These pieces of stem are called cuttings. Now bulb. An onion is a bulb. It can make a thick leaves. There is a bird present in center of the bulb. Here is a bird present in center. The bird grows to make onion plant, and if the gardener grow new plants from small pieces of stem, these pieces of stem are called cutting. The gardener grow new plants from small pieces of stem. These pieces of stem are called cutting. Long stems of plants which grow close to the ground are called runners. Now long stems which grow very close to each other to the ground are known as runners. What are runners? When long stems grow close to the ground are known as runner. New plants grow on the runners and their roots grow downward into the soil. New plants can grow on runners and the roots grow downward into the soil. Again I repeat the topic. Plants can also grow from other parts. For example, take an example of potato. It contains tuber and also bird. The stored food in the potato helps the birds to grow into a new potato plants. And onion. An onion has a bulb. This bulb is in the center of contain bird which is present in the center. The bird grows also to make a onion plant. It's enough for today. Thank you students. Allah Hafiz.